how to extract audio from any video file. This is what I will show you in today's how-to video. So let's start it. First, open your Google Chrome and then search extract audio from video. Open this first site, audio-extractor. You can find link of this site in the description. Then click on open video and then select the video you want to extract audio from. Then it will take some time depending on your video size. After it is fully loaded, you get few options. One is MP3, one is WAV, one is iPhone ringtone, and others are also there. But we will select MP3 as of now. Then on the third step, click on extract audio. So now you can download the audio of your video. Let's check it. So here you can see the audio from video is extracted. Subscribe to this channel for more how-to videos like this.